Life isn't a series of random events happening to us. Our actions and thoughts greatly influence the quality of our lives and experiences. This can be hard to accept, especially for those feeling unlucky or that the world is against them. However, understanding universal laws can lead to a more fulfilling life. The universe operates according to certain laws, like gravity keeping us grounded on Earth. Beyond physical laws, there are 7 universal principles. These have guided the universe for thousands of years. Ancient cultures in Egypt, Greece, and India have explored and taught these principles. At the core of these teachings is the idea that everything is made of energy. All things have their own frequency and vibration. Through these energies, everything exists in harmony. Before exploring the specifics, it's important to know that universal laws fall into 2 categories: immutable and mutable. This distinction is key to learning how to work with these laws to improve our lives. The first 3 laws are immutable, meaning they are unchanging, eternal truths governing the universe. We can't alter or bypass these laws, but we can understand and use them to our advantage. They form the foundation of how the universe works. By aligning ourselves with immutable laws, we can live in harmony with the universe. The next 4 laws are mutable, meaning they're more flexible and adaptable. These laws allow us to actively participate in shaping our reality. The universe was created by the divine mind through God's will. This fundamental law reveals that the essence of everything is mental, rooted in the absolute mind of the All. Within this infinite mind, countless universes exist. Each of us harbors an infinite universe within ourselves, making our mental potential limitless. The principle of mentalism shows that the All, or God, creates within the mental realm. As co-creators, we are constantly engaged in mental creation, whether we're aware of it or not. Our thoughts and intentions actively shape our reality, mirroring the divine creative process. To harness the power of the law of mentalism, recognize the transformative power of your thoughts. Your reality reflects what you think and believe. Focus your thoughts on the outcomes you desire, such as love, happiness, friendship, financial prosperity, or success. This aligns your mental energy with your goals. Mastering this law involves deliberately applying your thought power. Concentrate your mental energies on positive aspects and outcomes. By doing so, you can shape your life in more intentional ways, transcending limitations you might otherwise accept as unchangeable. The influence of all 7 universal laws is constant, regardless of our awareness or understanding. As conscious beings, our goal should be to acquire a deep understanding of these laws. This knowledge empowers us to shape our lives and overcome perceived limitations. The power of thought is a remarkable force in shaping our reality. By focusing on our desires, we draw these experiences closer to us. The universe, following the law of mentalism, responds to our mental vibrations. It manifests our thoughts into physical form. In practice, this means nurturing a positive mindset filled with abundance. Be clear about what you want to achieve or attract. Envision your desires as already fulfilled. Feel the emotions tied to these accomplishments. Through focused mental effort, you can turn inner visions into external realities. The law of correspondence reveals the deep interconnectedness of the universe. It shows a harmonious link between physical, mental, and spiritual realms. As the ancient saying goes, as above, so below, as below, so above. This means your outer world mirrors your inner world. Your circumstances reflect your mind and spirit. If you feel inner conflict, it's likely to show up in your environment. On the flip side, if you're balanced and joyful inside, your surroundings will echo this. To apply this law, consider Wayne Dyer's wisdom. Change how you see things, and what you see changes. By shifting your inner view and finding peace and joy within, you can transform your perception of the world around you. Everything vibrates with energy, from the tiniest particles to the grandest celestial bodies. This universal vibration forms the basis of the law of vibration. It's closely tied to the well-known law of attraction. Simply put, similar energies draw each other in. Your thoughts and actions emit specific frequencies. These frequencies then pull in matching experiences and outcomes. Positive thinking tends to bring positive results. Negative thoughts often lead to unfavorable situations. To harness this law, start by focusing on your inner world. True harmony doesn't rely on external factors. It comes from within. Work on your emotional well-being and personal growth. Seek balance, contentment, and inner peace. Don't chase external validation. Instead, find joy and fulfillment within yourself. As you align your inner self with these positive states, you'll notice changes in your outer world. This law highlights the importance of inner work. Face your fears, doubts, and negative thoughts head-on. Create a positive, peaceful internal environment. By doing so, you can shape your external reality. Align your thoughts, emotions, and spirit with the life you want to lead. When you achieve inner harmony, the world around you follows suit. This opens the door to a life full of beauty, peace, and satisfaction. Remember, the energy you put out into the world matters. It directly affects what you attract into your life. By understanding and applying these principles, you can create positive change in your life and surroundings. The law of attraction has gained widespread recognition, with numerous guides available online detailing its application for personal growth. Albert Einstein's insight provides a concise understanding of this concept. He stated that everything is energy, and by matching the frequency of your desired reality, you inevitably attract it. This isn't mere philosophy, it's rooted in physics. To effectively use this law, it's essential to align your energy with your desired outcomes. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions must harmonize with what you want to manifest. If you seek joy, embody it in your thoughts and actions. If success is your goal, adopt the mindset and work ethic of a successful person. Practical application involves maintaining a positive outlook, practicing gratitude, and visualizing your goals as already achieved. It's about creating a vibrational match between your current state and your aspirations. This alignment attracts experiences, people, and opportunities that resonate with your desires. The key to harnessing this universal law lies in conscious awareness and intentional living. By mindfully directing your thoughts and actions towards your goals, you can shape your reality through the energy you project into the universe. The law of polarity, the first of the mutable laws, teaches us about the inherent duality in everything. As stated in the Kybalion, everything is dual, everything has poles, everything has its pair of opposites. This principle highlights that seemingly contrary things are actually identical in nature, differing only in degree. Different degrees can meet at extremes. All truths are partial, and all paradoxes can be resolved. This concept suggests that apparent opposites are two ends of the same spectrum. Light and dark, hot and cold, fear and love, positive and negative are not separate. They're different expressions of the same basic essence. You might experience this duality daily, swinging between extremes. This can cause unrest and imbalance in your life. Remember, this sense of duality mainly exists in physical and mental realms. In the spiritual realm, division fades into unity. Everything is connected and essentially one. To overcome challenges from the law of polarity, try to raise your vibrations. Ancient teachings call this the art of polarization. It involves shifting focus towards unity and the divine essence behind everything. Concentrate on the ever-present force, whatever you call it. Infuse every thought, words, and action with positive intent. You can change experiences from negative to positive, hate to love, and darkness to light. Look for good in every situation, even when things seem bad. This aligns you with higher vibrations of love, peace, and unity. It doesn't mean ignoring life's negatives. Instead, choose to focus on the positive. This raises your vibrations and moves you towards balance. The law of polarity teaches that by recognizing and understanding duality, we can find a middle path. This path leads to harmony and spiritual enlightenment. The law of rhythm, the second mutable law, introduces the concept of cyclical patterns in the universe. Everything in existence operates in cycles. This law is summed up in the phrase, everything flows out and in, everything has its tides. All things rise and fall like a pendulum swing. The measure of the swing to the right equals the swing to the left. Rhythm compensates for these movements. This principle reflects natural cycles found throughout the cosmos. From moon phases to ocean tides, and even in our personal lives, rhythm is ever present. Recognizing and respecting this law is crucial in all aspects of life. Whether pursuing health goals, managing finances, or nurturing relationships, understanding rhythm is key. Don't let natural backward swings or negative phases discourage you. Remember, this rhythmic swing is a fundamental aspect of universal operation. Just as the pendulum swings back, it inevitably swings forward again. When facing challenges, maintain a positive outlook and persist in your efforts. This approach helps you navigate downward phases gracefully and sets the stage for stronger upward swings. Over time, you may notice that once insurmountable challenges become less daunting. This isn't because the challenges have diminished, but because you have grown stronger and more resilient. The law of rhythm teaches us to embrace life's natural flow. Every phase, positive or negative, is part of a larger growth cycle. By aligning with this law, we move gracefully through events. We accept the lows and appreciate the highs, finding balance and harmony. This awareness helps us stay optimistic during tough times. We know that after every low tide comes a high tide, and after every fall, there's a rise. The law of cause and effect governs the universe. Every thought, intention, and action sets a corresponding outcome in motion. This principle highlights the power our thoughts have over our reality. This law operates across physical, mental, and spiritual dimensions. In the spiritual realm, cause and effect are instantaneous. In physical and mental realms, time and space create a delay between actions and outcomes. Consequences may not appear immediately in our physical and mental experiences. However, in the spiritual plane, these effects happen right away. To use this law to your advantage, recognize that every thought has power. Your thoughts shape your reality, so choose them wisely. Focus shapes reality. The intensity and duration of your thoughts can influence how quickly they materialize. By concentrating on your goals and ignoring negative thoughts, you increase the chances of achieving them faster. Creative visualization can amplify the energy around your desired outcomes. Picturing your goals as already achieved in the spiritual realm can speed up their manifestation in the physical world. This principle applies to negative thoughts and emotions too. The more you dwell on them, the more likely they are to become real. As someone who actively creates their reality, you have the power to choose where to direct your focus. By consciously concentrating on positive aspirations and dismissing negative distractions, you align with the outcomes you want to achieve. This deliberate choice empowers you to shape your future. It also shows the profound influence of cause and effect on our lives. By understanding and applying this law, you can navigate life with greater intention. You can create a reality that reflects your highest aspirations. The law of gender highlights a fundamental principle that exists throughout the universe. Gender is in everything. Everything has its masculine and feminine principles. Gender manifests on all planes. This insight reveals the presence of masculine and feminine energies in all aspects of creation. It's seen in the duality of humans, plants, and animals, as well as in electrons and magnetic poles. This law underscores the necessity of both masculine and feminine energies in all things. The universe thrives on balance between masculine and feminine energies. Assertiveness, logic, and intellect complement empathy, intuition, and nurturing. An imbalance can lead to discord, while harmony fosters wholeness and fulfillment. To harness the law of gender, start by acknowledging both energies within yourself. Recognize your unique blend of masculine and feminine qualities. Accepting these aspects is crucial for achieving balance. Actively cultivate both sets of qualities in your life. If you rely heavily on logic, try developing more empathy and intuition. This approach brings equilibrium to your character. Apply these energies purposefully in different situations. Use masculine energy to assert yourself when needed. Tap into feminine energy to nurture relationships. Each energy serves a specific purpose in various aspects of life. By embracing and balancing these energies, you align with the law of gender. This fosters inner harmony and completeness. Such balance enables you to live more fully and consciously, enhancing your ability to create and experience life to its fullest potential becomes possible. You can better reflect your true aspirations and goals. Your curiosity and thirst for knowledge are admirable. May you always find strength in every situation. Live a life that inspires others. Have a beautiful day ahead, filled with balance and harmony.